You backed up your database in an external drive or wherever drive you backed up to. Now you want to restore it to your database and overwrite the current one, or maybe you moved to another laptop or you bought another laptop, so you want to restore your data to the new laptop. What do? You go to File, click on Restore. Then you'll navigate to where we'll place our file. For me, I placed it on my desktop. This is the backup file. So I can click open or I can double click it and it brings me to this page. So if this is the database I want to use, I can say replace the current open database. If you are using another database, you can say unzip and copy to the current open folder so that you can have a copy of it like a new database and open it later. Or you can unzip it and copy to a selected folder. So for me, I'll say replace the current database, which is Sharks. I click OK. Then it will tell me it will overwrite everything. So I'll just say continue and overwrite all my data because I have no new data. Then I say overwrite Sharks with Sharks. Yes. Restore completed successfully on the previous data. Say OK. So just say finish or you can close. So I have managed to restore the new database, and that's how simple it is to restore a database from a backed up database so that you can resume your team operations instantly.